For the past 15 years, SVR has established itself as the most advanced lubricant conditioning system available in the world. Used in over 30 countries, SVR offers an engineered solution to lubricant varnish that is guaranteed to work. Common maintenance practices for turbine applications does not maintain oil quality at the required level of performance. SVR offers a step change in both technology and performance. Common practices only remove particle contamination and leave behind oxidation products that are the cause of varnish and lubricant failure. SVR removes both. Common practices require 3 to 4 lubricant changes and flushes over the life of the turbine. This approach is not only expensive, but fails to prevent varnish and related production losses. By removing and preventing the accumulation of oxidation material, SVR removes the root cause of lubricant failure. This significantly extends oil life to 12 to 25 years, eliminating flushes and the production losses associated.
Yeah, my name is Jonathan Carlson. I just go by John. Been in the industry for directly related to turbines for about 25 years. EPT service, I found first of all, I found the product very compact, very efficient, very intuitive. Obviously, something more scientific as we looked at reports. We had oil samples sent in on a weekly basis after we had the unit installed. We noticed a step change in the oil quality. We did reach a point, and it was just a defined knee, and the varnish potential dropped dramatically within 2 samples. And essentially how I describe it is I had a problem, I installed a device, I ran the device for 3 months, and the problem was gone. Many of the people expressed the same identical problems that we had, which was high levels of varnish and high levels of particulate. And again, I had no problem recommending the product, and in fact, I praised the product and actually staked my reputation on it.
With over 40 million successful operating hours, with a reported 1,000% ROI, SVR makes common practices obsolete. For an assessment and demonstration of how SVR will perform, we offer new users a complimentary assessment and evaluation, ACE. This includes full analysis, lab scale cleaning, and retesting to demonstrate exactly what can be achieved.